Hello everyone, I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to do the part 2 of lesson number 2, that is Compte Ensemble. So let us start. So as you remember that we have completed this chapter till the dialogues, and today we are going to do the सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस विच आर लेस प्रोनम्स हुए. तो इसे प्लीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान से देखना, क्योंकि अगर आपने इसे नहीं पढ़ा तो फिर आपकी फ्रेंच ही नहीं हो पाएगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. लेट अस लर्न द सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस. अब in English we have learned that we do not use the nouns so many times. Like let's say an imaginary girl. Let's name her Caroline. So Caroline lives in France. Caroline is a girl. Caroline is good at studies. Caroline loves her parents. So I am using Caroline so many times. That's why we have invented Caroline is a girl. She lives with her mother. She's good at studies. So what is she here? It is the pronouns. And in the same way in French also we have the pronouns, subject pronouns. So here we are going to learn these with the help of Snow Queen, which is Elsa from the movie Frozen. So La Reine des Neiges, Snow Queen, which is Frozen. Now here we are going to learn about first singular. For singular we use je for I, tu for you, elle for she, il for he. Now going on to the next page. So here we learn the subject pronouns in plural. Nous is used for we, vous is used for you all, elles is used for they, it is in feminine, ils is used for they and it is in masculine. So here is a collective table given to us. So here are two segments. It is divided into two segments which are singular and plural. In the singular we have je or j apostrophe, which is only used before vowels such as a, e, I, o, u and silent h and y as well. In French we have y also as the vowel sometimes. Now je is or j apostrophe is for I, tu is for you, il is for he or it can be used as it, elle is for she or it can also be used as it. Now going to the plural, nous is used for we, vous is used for you and it can also be used for elders. Now ils is used for they and it is in masculine. Else is used for feminine, it is used for they and it is in feminine. Now going on to the next page. Here we have the number, les nombres cardinal. So here we learn the numbers. In this chapter, as you remember the name of the chapter, which is Compte Ensemble, and the meaning of it is let us count together. So why was it written that let us count together? Because in this chapter we are also going to learn the numbers. So let's go. Here we have 1, which is in French is known as un. Then we have 2, which is the. Then we have 3. These are jumbled and we need to find them. 3 as trois. 4 here we have as quatre. 5 as cinq. And 6, where is it? Yeah, here it is. 6 has the same spelling as in English, but the pronunciation is different, and that is six. Then we have 7, which is sept. 8 as we. So it is as we can see, h is in front of it, but no, it is not pronounced. It is a silent h. So it is we. Then we have 9 as neuf, and at last we have 10 as these. Now going on to the next page, there we have a poem and let's read it together. The name of the poem is Des Cerise and we need to sing it, which is Chantons. Un, deux, trois, nous irons au bois. 4, 5, 6, cueille des cerises. 7, 8, 9, dans ma panière neuve. 10, 11, 12, elles seront toutes rouges. Now let us understand its meaning. It means 1, 2, 3 we'll go to the woods. 4, 5, 6 pick cherries. 7, 8, 9 in my baskets. 9, 10, 11, 12, they'll all be red. Now going on to the next part, here we have the numbers from 11 to 16. So let's read it one by one. 11 is for ons, 12 is for dus, 13 is for tres, 14 is for 14, 15 is for cans, and 16 is for says. Now let's go on to the next page. Here we have the Aprano table that I told you earlier and the numbers, the cardinal numbers. So they start from 0. We'll pronounce it one by one. 0 is 0, 1 is 2 is the, 3 is trois, 4 is quatre, 5 is cinq, 6 is six, 7 is sept, 8 is huit, 9 is neuf, and 10 is dix. Now going on to the 11 one, we have 11 as onze, 12 as douze, 13 as tres, and 14 as 14. Now going on to the 15th. So it is pronounced as cans. Then 16 is says, 17 is decept, 18 is dix-huit, and 19 is dix-neuf, 20 is wank. Now why is these written here? As you know, the meaning of these is 10, and here we have 7, 8 and 9 after these, so it means 10 plus 7 which is 17, 10 plus 8 which is 18, and 10 plus 9 is 20. Then we have wank. And do remember the differentiation between the normal 6 and the 16. So the 6 is have the same spelling as in English, but the pronunciation is cease, and the 16 is pronounced as says. Now going on to the Aprano table, let us see what are the words written here. The first one is des bois, which is wood. Un ballon is ball. Des cerises is cherries. Then we have chanter, it is to sing. Chantons is let us sing. Un chapeau is hat. Une classe is classroom. Compter is to count. Comptons is let us count, and comptons ensemble is let us count together. So compter is count, comptons is let us count. So comptons and ensemble. Ensemble means together. When they both combine, they makes let us count together. Then we have cueillir, which is to pluck. Dans is in. Une disque is disc or CD. Ensemble is together, as I told you earlier. Une fleur is flower. Un garçon is boy. Un livre is book. Neuf is new. Un panier is basket. Une poste is post office. Un stylo is pen. Une tasse is cup, and une tomate is tomato. So here we have successfully completed the chapter, and if you need the question answers, then you can go on to my other playlist in which I have written those and explained it to you. So that was all for today, and I hope that you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And before going, do revise these things which I have taught you, especially the subject pronouns and the countings. So that was all for today. Bye bye and have a nice day.